Hello everyone, I am Margaret. Today we will be talking about word contrast A and E. Word contrast A and E. Severally, we tend to pronounce one sound or the other. Today we will learn the proper way to differentiate or to pronounce each of these sounds. Now here are some more examples. We have bid and bead, bid and bead. I should bid high for those beads. Another word example is lid and lead, lid and lead. I will lead you to where you are to place the lid for the drums. Another word example is sit and seat, sit and seat. Madam, sit on the seat over there. Lastly, we have fit and feet, fit and feet. My feet fits perfectly in that shoe. And with that, we have come to the end of today's flawless episode. I trust that we have learned something interesting and educative today. So, don't forget to click on the links below for more flawless episodes and don't stop practicing. Thank you for watching and bye for now.